Hello viewers, welcome to Hash Include. In this video, we will learn about regular expressions in Python. Open a file editor and create a Python file. Regular expressions are used in three basic operations: match, to find something at the beginning of the string; search, find something anywhere on the string; transform, to find, replace, convert from lowercase to uppercase, etc. Regular expressions are essentially a tiny, highly specialized programming language embedded inside Python and made available through RE module. So import RE, which is a regular expression also called as RegEx. Create a variable called statement. Welcome to hash include. Now create a matching object variable and place the regular expression match. We will find welcome on the above statement. If matching object is not none, then print match found. Matching objects dot group, which will return the matched object. Else print not found. Now run the application. Go to terminal. Run the file. Demo3.py. Match not found. The reason is here it is capitalized, here we have lowercase. So to ignore case sensitivity, let's pass flags is equal to re dot ignore case ri simply. Now run it. It says match found, welcome. So if we want to find some other text, for example take hash include instead of welcome, match not found, because match finds something at the beginning of the string. Only search can find anywhere on the screen on the string. So we'll replace match with search. Now let's try. Match found. Also this matching object will return start, end and span. For example, print matching object dot start off. It says 11, the position where it started. It is from starting from 0 till here it is in the 11th position. And to print end, 22. Basically it says starts on the 11th position and ends 22nd position. In the upcoming videos, we will see about meta characters. Meta characters are dot, cap, dollar, star, plus, question mark, curly brackets, square brackets, parenthesis, pipe, slashes. These are used to create a pattern to perform complicated operations. Let's see in another video. Thanks for watching. Hash include. Subscribe to our channel for more similar videos.